In primetime news this evening, councillor for the Denham Town Division receiving death threats as gangsters wreak havoc in the community.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness wants the U.S. to help him declare war on illegal guns.
And the major organized crime agency launches tip line for the public to help take down criminal organizations. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, more money is coming for entrepreneurs in the tourism industry. I'll give you the details later on.
And from business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to give us a preview. Jordan?
Well, Herman, there were tears today as the five-time winners, Brazil, were dumped out of the World Cup. I'll have all the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
Herman is still crying. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the results of the 2 World Cup quarter-final matches held today?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.